Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the autoplay on YouTube. If you're tired of YouTube automatically starting the next random video and throwing off your recommendations, so autoplay can be a major distractions and waste of data, and this is how you can turn it off. So if you're using the YouTube application on your mobile, you can easily just go to your profile, click on the U button in here in the bottom right corner, then go to the YouTube settings by clicking on the gear icon. Now, you can just scroll down until you find the video and audio preferences section. Click on the playback options, and here you'll see the autoplay next video. So when these enable, a suggested video will automatically play next. So to disable it, you can just toggle it off. So click on this toggle until it turns gray. And just like that, and now the autoplay is disabled. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.